I like giving back to the people watching. So Spike would start giving away loads of these items and much more. So to win these prizes, all you need to do is the following. Thank you for your time. And by the way, I do giveaways on these channels as well, so check them out. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you 6 pro tips in Canva. Well, you want to start? Let's start. First, we got the shortcuts. I'm going to show you the following shortcuts which are uploaded official by Canva. So screenshot what I'm showing you, and there's important shortcuts as well here. So screenshot to benefit from it and check the ones you like. Another tip is, instead of using this project, for example, changing with it, it will automatically save. What you can do instead of saving the following project is duplicate it and change whatever you want. Save it, upload it. I don't know what you want to do. Tip number 3. Well, you can copy and paste from a project to another. Let's take this thumbnail, this YouTube thumbnail, for example. You can copy and paste from a web to another. That's powerful. I didn't know that. Another important tip is you can upload directly. Instead, because I know loads of people that press upload media, device, etc. It takes a lot of time. What you can do is grab the clip and the object and boom, now you have it, man. What's poppin'? Yeah, look around, as there are loads of effects you can benefit from. For example, this is just because of an effect. That's the main reason. You can benefit a lot when looking at these stuff, and check these ones also. Now you can show ruler for professional bros and sisters, and you can align what you want if you want to align it better than just figuring things out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to check the channel, I do loads of Canva tutorials and DaVinci Resolve, Photoshop, etc. If you can support the channel by liking, subscribing, and yeah, do your stuff, as I'll be doing giveaways for the ones who are supporting. So have a nice day. Peace out. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.